When opportunity knocks, do you answer it? Are you willing to dream big? Imagine taking this bungalow, which is situated in one of Toronto's most vibrant communities, just north of College Street, and building this. Now, imagine taking this double garage that fronts onto iconic Cross Street, this is not a laneway, and building this. Or imagine the possibility of severing this 138-foot lot that stretches from Borden St all the way to Cross Street and building not one, but two beautiful homes. Dream big and imagine all the possibilities that are waiting for you at 116 Borden St. It's time for you to get living and live a great story.